Open your heart up, hoping I'll never find out that you're anyone else. 'Cause I love you, just how you are.
Girl, I want to fly you back to Africa. Said I'm calling you. Girl, I want to take you to America. Said I'm missing you. Girl, I wanna make you they hold me. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Girl, I wanna make you they hold me. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Feeling your waistline.
Subscribe, 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 ayy, subscribe, subscribe, ayy, ayy. Hey girl. What's up guys? I'm Najee and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, how are you? You good? Don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. And if you guys enjoy my video and enjoy my channel, then give this video a big old thumbs up and it lets me know if you guys like it or not. So today I'm going to be doing a melanin goddess makeup tutorial. And you know, I got my braids in. I'm feeling a little, you know, popping for the summertime. If you guys like this makeup tutorial, like I said, don't forget to go down below and give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're new here and you want to follow me on all my social medias, it's going to be down below in the description box. I just want to say really quickly, thank you for all of you who have subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't wait to push out more content for you guys, and it's only gonna get bigger and better. So thank you again for the likes, the comments, and subscribing. So yeah, without any more talking, let's just get right into the video. So first I'm starting out with my favorite foundation, Fenty Beauty. You know Auntie Riri came through for us. So if you're a chocolate girl and you want a good foundation, this is definitely a good one. And my shade is 450. Now I'm just taking a stippling brush and I just like to blend it all in. As you can see, my brows are already filled in and done. I'm just going to take some brow gel to put on my eyebrows to make sure they don't go anywhere. And now I'm taking some Tarte Shape Tape concealer to conceal my eyes and prime them for some eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be taking this Juvia's palette and I'm going to be using the shade on the bottom. The first shade is like that brownish red color, and I'm just going to be using that as my transition color, and I'm going to be blending that in. The key to a transition color is to blend it all in and then add as you go. So I'm going to be blending that into my crease line. Now this step is completely optional, up to you. A little tip and trick that I like to use if your eyeshadow isn't as pigmented as you would like it to be, you can use a light concealer or maybe a primer to make that pigment really pop. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm creating like a half cut crease. Like I said, I kind of felt it on this makeup look, but yeah, it definitely works if your eyeshadow isn't as pigmented as you would like it to be. Now I'm going to be taking that golden eyeshadow that you saw at the top of the palette, and I'm just going to be packing that on into my lower lid. And now I'm going to be taking this red, like burgundy red that I love, and I'm going to be deepening my crease a little bit just to kind of create a more cut crease, but it's really nothing dramatic. I'm just going to be adding that into like maybe my outer V and then just packing it on into my crease just to create a little bit more depth. And of course, you're going to take a blending brush and blend everything together. And now I'm just going to be taking a black liquid liner and giving myself some wings. And now I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm just using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the color Deep. And I'm going to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. I don't highlight my forehead, but if you want to, that is completely up to you. And now, girl, we gonna blend. So I used a little bit more concealer than I normally do, so I'm just gonna take my damp beauty blender and we're just gonna blend it out, make sure it looks good. And now I'm just going to be blending out my contour lines that I've drawn, and I use a lipstick and I will leave it down below. It matches my skin color perfectly, and I'm just going to blend that all out. And I'm going to be taking a eyeshadow color that I used in my crease actually, and I'm going to use that as blush. Now it's time for highlight, and of course, like always, I use my MAC Gold Deposit highlight because it gets your girl popping, and I look like a glazed donut. And I put it on top of my nose bridge and the little dot that goes on the tip of your nose. That's really, really cute. I do that as well, and I pretty much put my highlight, you know, wherever it needs. Things just need to glow and pop, and I blend it in. Now I'm just gonna take some lipstick and some lip gloss and a little bit of pressed powder from MAC, and I'm done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very melanin makeup tutorial. If you guys did, don't forget to go down below and give this video a big old thumbs up. And if you enjoyed my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.